A simple trick that will teach you to save money. If only I could stop spending money on stuff I don't need, I would buy so many useful things. Have you ever thought this? Then this video is just for you. There is a simple and efficient ways to save money that you never think about. Today we will tell you 5 simple tricks which makes you more richer each new day. 1. Buy it tomorrow. Yes, the first things is, anything you are looking to buy, never buy it now and instead buy it tomorrow. Now this one is really just about cutting down on the impulse purchases that you do without ever really realizing it, and this one is especially interesting once you start digging deeper. 2. Turn off the television. One big way to save money is to drastically cut down on the amount of television you watch. There are a lot of financial benefits to this: less exposure to spending-inducing ads, a lower electric bill, and add more time to focus on other things in life, such as a side business, and so on. 3. Use credit cards wisely. If you have a habit of overspending with credit cards, hide your cards and keep them in a safe place in your home, not in your wallet. Keeping your card out of sight and out of mind might help reduce temptation while you're out and about. 4. Drink more water. Not only does drinking plenty of water have great health benefits, it has financial benefits, too. Drink a big glass of water before each meal in order to stay fuller longer and ultimately eat less. Not only will you save on the food bill, but you'll also feel better after you become properly hydrated. 5. Master the 30-day rule. Avoiding instant gratification is one of the most important rules of personal finance, and waiting 30 days to decide on a purchase is an excellent way to implement that rule. Quite often, after a month has passed, you'll find that the urge to buy has passed as well, and you'll have saved yourself some money simply by waiting. If you're on the fence about a purchase anyway, waiting a while can give you a better perspective on whether it's truly worth the money.